Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase the mileage of your two-wheeler scooter or any carbureted bike you have. Not only you can increase the mileage, you can adjust the idling of your scooter or a bike, whatever, and you can get the most of it in a more efficient way. In the whole procedure, you just required one thing, that is good hearing ability, so that you can understand how your vehicle is reacting on each of your move. Adjusting the carburetor is a very deep and intense thing. Anyone can't do it properly or easily. One can easily destroy a vehicle, but I am going to tell you in the very short and simple way. I'm not going to very deep in it. I'm not going to tell you every details of it, but I'm just telling you what is required in it. You can't be destroying your vehicle but getting the most of it. You need to be more precise while tightening or losing both the screws, and you don't need to tight very much or loose very much. You just need to do it very slowly, very precisely, so that you can get the perfect amount of tightness or looseness, whatever is required to your vehicle. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here is our Activa. First of all, we need to open the rear hood, and now I suppose all of you know how to open this, and if you don't know, then you need to watch my previous video where I have explained everything in detail. And now here is our engine compartment, and here you can find two screws exactly right there. These two, this and this, these two. This one is for RPM and this one is for air fuel mixture. We are going to work these two screws only. Please make sure that your scooter is already cold started. So first of all, you need to turn on your scooter. As your scooter is started, this is the second one, the spring screw. You need to rotate it and increase the RPM. As you have heard, the RPM is now increased. I am rotating it to the right hand side or in the clockwise direction. Now, the air fuel mixture screw is adjusted, rotated wherever required, right or left, till the RPM reaches to its max. Like I'm just showing you. I'm rotating it in clockwise direction. So as you can see, the RPM is now decreasing. And now if I turn more, okay, now RPM is lost and the scooter is now shut down. So let's again start it. More difficult to keep it running. So just rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction. I am holding the accelerator right now to keep the engine running. Now again rotate it and reach the point where the RPM is on its peak on that particular node. Like there, RPM is increasing and here is decreasing. Again increasing. Now as you can hear, the RPM is again decreasing as I am rotating to the anti-clockwise direction. So I am again rotating it to the clockwise direction to reach the maximum RPM. So this is the point where the RPM is max. If I rotate it into the clockwise direction, it loses its power, and if I rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, it also loses its power. So this is the center, is the max RPM. So you have to adjust and find out what's your peak of RPM. This is the peak for mine. Now again decrease it, the RPM. Now get out of the main stand. So after removing from the main stand or the middle stand, now adjust the idling of your scooter like I am doing. See, keep it till your scooter is alive. Don't do it too little or don't keep it too high. In both the cases you will lose your mileage. See, if I do this, now it's going to die. So just it's again restarted. And now rotate it to the clockwise direction. And keep it as low as possible to maintain the proper idling. So I suppose this is the best setting for my scooter or for any scooter for idling and for this. So yeah guys, I'll be ending up my video here. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to give this video a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tab tak ke liye